A dyad is a two-note chord, more commonly called an interval. And we'll see that the naming of an interval requires the specification of two things: a number and a quality. The number is determined by the position of notes on the staff, and the quality by the number of semitones separating the two notes on the keyboard The interval of a fifth is defined on the staff as being line, line, line. For example, E, line, line, line to a B, or space, space, space. For example, an F, space, space to a C, space, 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 F to C. So E to B on the keyboard to determine the quality of this interval of a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 semitones is referred to as a perfect fifth. And when an interval of fifth has 7 semitones, perfect fifth, the abbreviation is capital P 5. Let's check out the F to the C. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 semitones. It also is a perfect fifth. If we have one semitone less than a perfect fifth, that interval of a fifth will be referred to as a diminished fifth, abbreviated D5, has 6 semitones. Note that we don't use the word minor fifth, nor do we use the word major fifth. It's perfect fifth, diminished fifth, and as we'll see in a moment, augmented fifth. So let's get back to this idea of a diminished fifth. I could take my perfect fifth from F to C, space, 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 and I could make it smaller by flattening the C, or by leaving the C alone and sharpening the F. Both cases, I will have 6 semitones, and this will be a diminished fifth. If I have one more semitone than the perfect fifth, I'll have an augmented fifth, abbreviated capital A tones. For example, if I had the E to B perfect fifth, and I enlarge the interval by either taking the upper note, sharpening it, or taking the lower note and flattening it, then I would have an augmented fifth with 8 semitones. We've looked at the interval of a fifth and seen that on the staff it's defined as line, 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 or space, space, space. We looked at 3 of the more common variations on this interval: the perfect fifth, the diminished fifth, and the augmented fifth.